Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SolidWorks Hair Dryer Cover, Core and Cavity lesson. With the hair dryer cover part, click on Draft Analysis, select the right plane for the direction of pull, and review the faces that require draft. Close the command to continue. Reorient the model to add a fillet. Select the Face Fillet option. Select the faces indicated and use the Hold Line option. Select the top edge and click OK to finish. Add a new sketch in the top plane. Select the edge indicated and use Convert Entities. Click on the Curves command, select a split line, use the projection type, select the faces indicated and click OK. Click on the Draft command, select the right plane for direction of pull, activate the parting line type, verify the direction of pull and select the edges indicated. Click OK to continue. Select the right plane and click on Draft Analysis. Review the faces that still require draft and cancel the command. From the Direct Editing tab, click on the Delete Face command. Select the faces indicated. Use the Delete option and click OK. From the Curves command, select Composite Curve. Right-click in the edge indicated and use the Select Tangency option. Click OK to continue. Reorient the model. And add a sketch in the top plane. Draw the profile and dimension as indicated. From the Convert Entities drop-down command, select Intersection Curve. Select the face indicated and click OK. Convert the segment shown to construction geometry and delete the other segments. Add a pierce relation to the composite curve. Select the two endpoints indicated and merge them. Select the arc and the line and make them tangent. Exit the sketch to continue. Make a swept surface. Select the sketch and the composite curve and add the edge indicated as a guide curve. Use the Follow Path and First Guide Curve option and click OK. Click on the Knead Surface command, select both surfaces, activate the Create Solid option and click OK. Hide the composite curve to continue. Click on the Draft command, use the parting line type and select the right plane for direction of pull. Verify the direction. Right-click on each of the indicated edge and use Select Tangency as shown. Click OK to add a draft to all the faces. Run a draft analysis to evaluate the part. Use the Face Classification option to isolate different groups and close the command to continue. Click on Parting Line, select the right plane and click on Draft Analysis. Select the edges between the positive and negative draft faces and click OK. Click on Shut Off Surfaces. Make sure all holes are selected and remove any redundant selections. Click OK to finish. Select the Surface Bodies folder and hide all surfaces. Click on the Parting Surface command. Use the Perpendicular to Pull option, set the distance and click OK. Click in the surface folders and make them visible. Click on Tooling Split. Add a sketch in the parting surface. Use Convert Entities and exit the sketch. Enter the block sizes indicated. And click OK. Select the parting line feature and hide it. From the Direct Editing tab, click on Move Copy Bodies. Select the top body and move it up. Repeat the Move Copy Bodies command and move the bottom body down. Click on the surface bodies and hide all surfaces. Move the rollback bar above the Move Body features. Right-click on the core body and select Insert into New Part. Enter the new part name and click OK. Return to the hair dryer cover part. Right-click on the cavity body and save it to a new part. Enter the part name and click OK. Open the core part and add a sketch in the bottom face. Select the edges indicated using Select Tangency and click on Convert Entities. Click on Extruded Surface, set the direction, and extrude it past the part. Go to the menu Insert, Features, Split. Select the surface as a trim tool, click on Cut Bodies, and select the split body indicated. Enter the new part name. Use the Consume Cut Bodies option. Click OK and hide the trim surface. Open the trimmed part to analyze it. Return to the core part. Add a new sketch. Convert the edges of the rest of the inserts using Select Tangency and Convert Entities. And make an extruded cut to remove them.